In a small village there was a boy named Kojo. Unlike the other children, Kojo had a unique appearance that made him stand out. His features were different, and the villagers often teased him, calling him the ugly African boy. Everywhere he went, people whispered behind his back or laughed at him openly. Kojo felt hurt and often questioned his worth. He avoided social gatherings and spent most of his time in solitude, tending to his family's goats on the hillside. But there was one thing Kojo loved: drawing. With every moment he had alone, he sketched images of the landscapes, animals, and people around him using charcoal and scraps of paper he found. His art told stories of life in the village, blending beauty with authenticity. One day, a traveler from the city visited the village. As she wandered through, she stumbled upon Kojo drawing under a tree. She was mesmerized by his work. "These drawings are incredible," she exclaimed. "Who made them?" "I did," Kojo said shyly, his eyes avoiding hers. The traveler smiled warmly. "Your art deserves to be seen by the world." With her encouragement, Kojo submitted his drawings to an art competition in the city. His work not only won first prize but was also showcased in galleries across the country. Soon, the ugly African boy was celebrated as a talented artist, earning respect and admiration from the same people who once ridiculed him. Kojo's story became an inspiration to many. When asked how he overcame the negativity, he said, "They called me ugly, but I realized their words couldn't define my spirit. I chose to focus on what I could create, not on how I looked." Lesson? People's judgments of your appearance or abilities don't define your worth. Your value lies in your talents, character, and what you contribute to the world. Always focus on your strengths, and let your passion shine brighter than any criticism. In a